Hello guys, well welcome to my Cruise vs. Cruise, and today we're gonna play a game called Clarence Blamo Burger. So be ready and we're gonna play it. Okay, let's do this. Get the patty.
Bacon.
Oh yeah, I forgot I have to tap.
Radical.
Oh, see that's my brother, but I'm gonna try not to get the bombs. Yep, there's bombs in this
pencils.
game. Yeah. If you hear the one singing in the background, it's my brother. Make sure you go.
Wow, radical.
Yep, that's what it does. Yep. So far, I'm being good here. Nothing's bad happening. It's awesome. I could do this forever. Oh, come on.
Oh, pencils.
It didn't say oh pencils, it said oh grapes. We're gonna try it one more time. Plus there's a new movie going in theaters. It's called The Frenemies. Frenemies. They're enemies and friends. Yes. Wow. Wow, that's so okay. We're back to the game.
Want me to do a Homer expression? I'll try to do. Don't.
After this game,
Now I'll do a Peter expression of Lois. Peter. Oh my gosh, Peter.
That's my brother in the background, okay?
I can't believe you done this, Peter.
Well, we're gonna put this in YouTube, remember?
Oh, Peter, I can't believe you said that.
Oh, he got me. Well,
Told you, oh, pencils.
Well, that's enough Clarence Blamo Burger for today. See you in the next